If you notice any suspicious activity on your Varo account, it's important to report it promptly to protect your finances. Follow these steps to ensure your concerns are addressed effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about the suspicious activity. This includes transaction dates, amounts, and any unusual account behavior you have observed. Step 2. Log into your Varo account. Access your Varo account through the mobile app or website. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your information. Step 3. Navigate to support. Once logged in, locate the support or help section in the app or website. This area typically contains resources for reporting issues and getting assistance. Step 4. Report the activity. Follow the prompts to report the suspicious activity. Provide the information you gathered in Step 1 to ensure the Varo support team has all necessary details to investigate. Step 5. Monitor your account. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can help ensure your account remains secure and any suspicious activity is addressed promptly. Stay vigilant and proactive about your financial security.